If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, bro, why do I look so tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? You're not alone. Most guys don't struggle with skincare because they're lazy, but because no one's ever given them a real guide that actually works. So in this video, I'm going to give you the only skincare routine you'll ever need. And it's made specifically for Indian guys. Now, before you touch a single product, first thing, you gotta figure out your skin type. Most people skip this, and that's exactly why nothing works for them. Here's how you do it. Wash your face with plain water and don't apply anything. Wait for 30 minutes. If your face starts feeling tight or stretchy, congrats, you have dry skin. If it starts looking greasy or shiny, especially around your forehead and nose, that means it's oily. And if your forehead is oily but your cheeks feel dry, you've got combination skin. Once you know this, everything else becomes 10 times easier. Now, let's talk about the only 3 products you actually need. We're not doing any of that 10-step routine, bro. We're keeping it real. First, face wash. This is non-negotiable. You need to wash your face twice a day. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, go with the minimalist salicylic acid cleanser. If you've got dry or sensitive skin, something like Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is perfect. Just don't use soap or body wash on your face. It messes up your skin's natural balance. Second, moisturizer. And yes, even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. Skipping this step actually makes your skin oilier. For something lightweight that works in Indian humidity, I recommend Neutrogena Hydro Boost or Pond's Super Light Gel. Both are non-greasy, super affordable, and keep your face looking fresh instead of flaky or greasy. And third, the most underrated product of them all, sunscreen. If you're not using it, you're literally aging your skin faster every single day. Sun exposure causes dark spots, uneven skin tone, and premature wrinkles, and no glow-up product is going to fix that. Use Requil Ultra Matte Sunscreen. It's designed for Indian skin, doesn't leave a white cast, and feels super light on the skin. All right, now let's go one level deeper. I call these high ROI habits. They take almost no effort, but give crazy results over time. Start applying pure aloe vera gel at night. Just a thin layer before bed. It helps reduce acne, calms inflammation, and gives your skin that smooth texture. I use Urban Botanics aloe vera gel. Simple and effective. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. You wouldn't believe how much bacteria builds up there and ends up on your face. Drink at least 3 liters of water every day. Sounds basic, but hydration literally shows on your face. Wipe your phone screen with a clean cloth once a day, especially if you're always on calls. And lastly, stop touching your face all the time. Your hands are low-key the dirtiest part of your body. Now, here are some of the exact products I use in my routine. Feel free to screenshot this part or just try them one by one. For face wash, I use the minimalist salicylic acid cleanser. For moisturizer, I stick with Pond's Super Light Gel. Super light, absorbs fast. My sunscreen is Real Ultra Matte. Works even when I'm out in the sun all day. At night, I apply Urban Botanics Aloe Vera Gel. And for lips, I use Sebamed SPF 30 Lip Balm. It's a lifesaver. None of these are expensive, all of them work well on brown skin, and most importantly, they're simple enough that you'll actually stick to using them. The truth is, skincare doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need 10 serums and a skincare fridge. You just need to stay consistent with the basics. Stick to this for 2 weeks straight, and trust me, your mirror is going to thank you.